Thank you. Oh, it's warm. It is warm. It is warm. It is warm. It is warm. Morning, or should I say Guten Morgen from Berlin. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out stuff about German transport. Get more on that later, but first we got to get fit passport control, so let's get it. Okay, so, where's the recording? I can't see because the sun, it is quite sunny here, I will say. Sunny and warm, that's for sure. So we just called for passport control, obviously. Oh, shade. Oh. And we're actually going to be reviewing lots of things, because obviously Germany's home to plenty of things. Pretzels, football, Wiener Schnitzel, bratwursts, that kind of stuff. But they do have one flaw, and so many people that go either here or live here will probably know that it's their train network, because certainly it's not the best thing in the world, I will say that. But what we're going to do is obviously we just traverse here from the UK, and we're going to essentially review our experiences going from the capital city of Germany, which is Berlin, obviously, all the way to a border town in Germany of Guben, which is right next to the border with Poland. Now, we have done this trip before, and we've gone to the doing bleh. I can't talk. I cannot talk. We have done this route before, and we are taking the exact same journey that we took on when I took my first solo flight independently, which will be on your screen, the video, somewhere right now. So, yeah. But we've got an hour to kill in here, so I think it's time we find some food, so I think you know what time it is. Welcome back to the food court. God, it's been a while since we've been back in the food court. Like, I don't even remember when the last thing was, but we're at a Burger King. Conveniently, it was the Burger King that was closed in my solo flight video, which is crazy. But yeah, we're reviewing a Burger King meal that I got. So the first thing that I got was this chicken burger with a bunch of chicken, tomato, lettuce, all that kind of stuff. Just the basic. Kind of like one of the classics they had in Germany. And I tried it, and oh my god. Now, it was actually amazing. Like, you can tell from my very wondrous reaction that was actually really, really good. Then after that, well, I think this is where things went downhill from here. We got these kind of like wee veggie, I don't know what they were, cheese bites with some greenery in it. And honestly, they were hot for a start. I did say that they were okay in it, but it was a bit bad. And then we got this brownie in a cup. Literally, it was a brownie in a cup. I had no idea how on earth I was supposed to tackle this, but I did it in the end after some struggling, and it was okay, yes, but not the best thing. I would have to say, out of everything, might be my least favorite fast food experience. Like, I don't know what those veggie bites were. That brownie, it was just a warmed up brownie in like molten chocolate sauce. So I think if you're coming to a Burger King, yes, I did say it was okay, but if you're coming to a Burger King, then expect it could be quite bad. So yeah. Okay, so food is devoured. It was actually alright, I can't lie, but I decided to come outside just for some fresh air. But I mean, actually alright here. I mean, look at this. Way. Yeah, so when I mentioned at the start, well, not at the start, when I got to Berlin, that we taking the same route, was I wrong? No. But we're not doing it while we're making only one transfer. We're actually making two transfers. So we're first going to a random ass small town called Königs Wusterhausen. And then after that, we are going over to the Cottbus, which is where we went first in our explorations. Then after that, we're going over to the said border town of Guben, which is our kind of final destination. But obviously what makes this very different is our transfer times for when I booked the journey are actually quite short. Meaning that if there's even a delay of some sort, I might have to capitalize on that by just booking it. So what can you do? But yeah, we got like half an hour until our first train out. I was gonna say we could explore Berlin, but I will say this airport is in like the basic middle of absolute nowhere. Well, it's not in the middle of nowhere, it's near Berlin, but like you have to get a whole entire like system network to get there, and that's not ideal. I hear a plane. Oi! I knew I heard a plane. Aha! But yeah, we're gonna walk around when we get something from the store, and then after that, we'll go from there. So with that, let's do some walking. Okay, so we are the 12:38 to Königs Wusterhausen. So that's pretty good. Down there we got like a 30-minute transfer when we get to Königs Wusterhausen. I learned that the 2 dots in German apparently is a kind of like Ursaut, I think. Don't fact check me on that. Anyways, 30-minute transfer in Königs Wusterhausen. So with that, let's go meet our train.
22 to Königs Wusterhausen, departure 12:38 p.m. today from platform 2 Bridge.
Oh, it's stopping there. It is. Oh shit. It said on the thing that I was getting off E to H, not flipping A to D. Oh sweet the Jesus. Right, this is me what I'm. Oh Deutsche Bahn, I'm gonna kill you. There we go. Right. Let's get this down. Okay, welcome to Königs Wusterhausen. We got a 13-minute-ish transfer here, and honestly, I don't know what to do because this is a very small station. I will say that. Actually, do you know what? Let's go explore a bit because why the flip not? So this is a station, nothing too crazy, but for a town like this, honestly, it's quite small here, I will say, but. Oh well, bit weird, very weird. Is this a crossing? No, it's not a crossing. I don't know laws in this country. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not a Germaner. I'm not German. But let's go walk around a bit before we dump our way over to Cottbus, which is our next stop. Actually a really nice town, I can't lie. I'm digging it so far. Very I was gonna say very German, but I think people in the comments are gonna be like, no really. Dude, that'll be my girlfriend right now. I miss her though. Shout out to Lorena on the other side down at hers, because I miss you so much. I think that'll be her right now. If I'm talking like, oh, this feels very German, she'd be like, no really, I thought it was something different. So yeah. But nice wee town, honestly, walking around. We got some more houses further down. Pretty neat. Anyways, we should probably head back to the train station to get our train to Cottbus, so let's head on back. Right, this is the train that matters the most, probably the one to Cottbus Hauptbahnhof. If it's delayed by even maybe like 2 minutes, let's say, that could affect me to get the final train over to Kuben, which is where we want to go to. Because there's a 7-minute transfer, which is not ideal, but oh well. Anyways, for a start, we gotta find out what platform it is. Oh, there's a departure board. Oh, there. Sweet. Train 2. Okay. Oh, that's loud. Cover ears on that one. Right. Train 2 or 3. One more after this. Okay, what was busy? Welcome to Cottbus. And we got another transfer time, but it's short, it's 7 minutes. In fact, I think that's what train. I say I think, but I don't know. But we gotta go check it out anyway, so let's go. So I'm thinking that this is our train, but I've got no idea. Oh, there's a wee departure board thing. Pretty sure it is. Let me take a look real quick. It does say Kuben, so we want to get on this. And we're doing it with 4 minutes to spare, so we're good. Let's go. Welcome to Kuben. Finally made it after a while. But that concludes our trip over to Germany. It's actually okay. No drama, no nothing, so all good, all neat. But thank you all so much for watching. And I'm gonna get over to Poland, maybe some videos from Poland as well. I'll see you then, so mwah!